Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today I am back with another lead code daily challenge and it is lead code number 973 K closest point to origin. Okay, so it is a medium level question and I also feel the same. So what is the question? You are given an array of points where points I belongs to xi and yi of the point represent a point on the xy plane and an integer k. Return the k closest point to the origin. The distance between two points on the xy plane is the Euclidean distance, that is x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. You may return the answer in any order. The answer is guaranteed to be. Okay, so this is the example number 1. Here it is 1 comma 3 and minus 2 comma 2. K is 1, so it's become minus 2 comma, the output is minus 2 comma 2. So let's get through the explanation. So I have taken the first example, and you are okay. So here the first point is 1 comma 3, this one, and the second one is minus 2 comma 2, so this one. So we have to find out the closest closest point. Like here the k value is 1, so we have to find the first closest, only the first closest point from the origin. Okay, so we have to basically find out the distance of all the point from the origin. Okay, sorry for my drawing. This is this and this. Okay, this distance, and we have to find for this two point this distance and this distance from this origin. Okay, so here is a mathematical formula. I hope you all have studied in your school time in 8th ninth. Okay, so here if there is 2 point like p1 and q1, and p1 is at x1 y1 and q is at x2 y2, so the formula for the distance is pq equals to under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay, so here if I take the 0 as p value, as 0, and the q are all the point which is given like this one, okay, and so on if there are multiple values. So this x1 value is 0 and y1 value is 0, so we can derive from the formula is pq is like root of x1 is 0 and y1 is 0, so it is x square plus y square. Okay, root of x square plus y square. This is our answer. Okay, for this gives the distance from origin to this point. Okay, for this point also it will give, for this point also it will give. So if I take this example, so 1 comma 3, it will give root of 1 square plus 3 square, so it will be like 10. 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, so it will be 9 plus 1 10, so root of 10, the answer is root of 10. And for this one minus 2 comma 2, the answer will be pq is equals to root of minus 2 square plus positive 2 square, it is under root, so it is root of 4 square plus 4 square, it is 8, root of 8. So you can say that root of 8 is of course is smaller than root of 10, so the closest pair is minus 2 comma 2. Now if there are multiple point, like if there are one another point then other point, like or 2 to 3 point, then if they may ask you for k is not equals to 1, k is equals to 2, for simply say for this example, like you can see there are 3 points and they ask you to solve for k equals to 2, you just need to simply calculate the distance and store it in a priority queue. Okay, where the top element will give you the smallest pq value, means the smallest distance value. This is the code. I have defined an structure here of node type, and it contains three value, a distance value xy for the point. Okay, so I have taken a priority queue and its type is node type, and I have also passed a comparator function. If you can see this comparative function, I have declared here this a the distance should be greater than b. So I have given this thing, and now I have iterated through the point array, and I have find out the x and y. Okay, I have taken the x and y, and I have calculated the distance. Okay, from this function, distance function, it is square root of x square minus plus y square, the this one, this part. Okay, this is only I have written. So I have stored it here, and I just put it into the priority queue. Okay, then after I will iterate through while until the k value becomes 0, and I just take out the top element and push it into our answer vector and just return our answer vector. Okay. Okay, you can see it is accepted, and I will provide my code and the question link in the description box, and also I provide an article if you want to read about how we find a distance between 2 point, then you can read that article. Okay, so thank you, bye, take care, see you tomorrow.